missed it. You should call her up again.
No. Come here, Sai. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Up. Come on. Oh, hello. Come here. Come here, Sky. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, hello.
Doggy butt. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
They have been separated. You look comfortable. Sky. Come here.
Leave me alone, God. You butt.
Me?
No, her.
She isn't even over there. She's like right here. Now she's laying down next to you.
I'm hiding now.
Why?
Because I just got, like, raped by a dog.
And yet you're still holding your legs open.
No, my legs are too...
That's funny. It looks like you're sitting on someone.
What? Hold on. Hello? Hello?
Okay, bye.